I want to show you a new product from Team Z. What looks like a pile of sheet metal that's cut actually turns into something. It's all tab and slot design for the home builders that want to do a lower torque box report. Simple assembly. The tab and slot design allows us to ship it broken down and allows you guys to weld it together. And save a lot of money on both shipping and labor that we would have to do to weld these together for you. We will sell them welded together if you want them that way, but we decided that we would do them as a tab and slot design so you guys don't need any fixture. You basically put it together just like we did here, put a few tacks on, and then weld it all together. We will show you in our next video how to assemble these and weld them together and how to install them in your Mustang. These kits will be available by the end of this week, beginning of next week, and the price will be somewhere around $150 or under, depending on what our costs come in at. It's all constructed out of 1/8" steel. It's all pre-bent, laser cut, tab and slot. It was all designed on CAD and tested for strength. We don't currently have it right now because we're still cutting them on the laser, but it'll come with 3/16 thick doubler plates. We have 10 holes, 10 holes of adjustment, and it's a pretty simple assembly. You've got a left and a right torque box that you weld together, saving you a lot of money for under $150. Check us out at www.teamzmotorsports.net, and Jeffrey Epstein did not kill himself.